Welcome people, welcome to my vlog for my Scottish allotment. Quackbo's Choy here. My name is Quack, and in this episode it's my final clip for the nature pond that I built in my allotment. It's only about a square metre size of pond. It's not that big. However, what's surrounding it works out to be about maybe 9 to 12 square metres, which is quite a wee bit. I deliberately made the pond small because as it's a nature pond, and I wasn't going to put any fish in it, which has a detrimental effect on my insects obviously. So we're going to go straight to the final clip of me planting the bulbs. By the way, I got the bulbs from Farmer's Grey. Is it Farmer's Grey or Grace Farmers or something like that? Anyway, the link's just down there. You have, I think they all ship from likes of, I think it's Norway or something like that. So they have a very, very good range. So thoroughly recommend them. Although this isn't sponsored by them, obviously, but get a fair idea. So let's zip through to the movie. The movie.
So you've got 5.
Here we go. As you can see, I've put the bulbs in the ground where I'm going to obviously position them, and hopefully they will produce a nice gathering of plants. This wee little apparatus you see me using here, cordless drill with an ogle. Fantastic wee little gadget for digging holes, and the ground isn't exactly compacted and it's not exactly loose, but it does a fine job in ploughing it up for me. The ogle is about 6 inches long, so you can get longer ones, but this can do me fine. So as you can see here, I'm doing a whizzing job of the ground, making space or making area for planting a group of bulbs, and I've deliberately crammed it all in this one area, so I'm hoping that the bulbs produces a lovely kind of show next year come springtime. I just dumped the wood shaving in there. End of the day it's compost, isn't it, really? So waste not, want not. I wouldn't put the paper bag in there, kind of, let's just go too far. So here we go. Right, you're probably wondering why I'm leaving the paper wrappings and stuff on top of where it's planted and stuff. Basically, it's just to remind myself what I've planted in the ground, and as I tend to get forgetful in my old age, I'm hoping this will remind me later in the year. However, doubt it very much, but you never know, in case I need to refer to them. See how that looks in a few come springtime. So cold this morning, so quiet as well. It's a lovely morning. Gorgeous sunrise, so quiet and peaceful. The birds are chirping away, so just going to carry on with my
pond. Now just 10 days from Christmas. It's a frosty morning and I've decided I'm going to build a wee path here in a pond. So I am going to build my path here, and I was thinking of digging a trench, put some sand down and get some slabs or monoblocks to pave it onto a pond. However, I had a wee brainstorm. If only I had a brain. And basically what I'm going to do is put a lining down to stop any weeds coming up, and then I am going to put some wood chips down. No, I'm going to put wood chips down, but I've cut these due to the recent storm we had, Storm Barra, and the one before, I can't mind the name. There's a few trees had fallen and large branches. So what I've done is I've cut some of the branches up, thicker branches, into 3-inch blocks, and then I'm just going to like make a path from that. Good idea, isn't it? Maybe? See how it looks. So that's what I'm going to do this morning. I'm going to show you how it's done. Right, where am I going to put this camera? Shut it! Noisy buggers. Right, admittedly, got my coffee here from McDonald's. Yeah, very festive cup indeed. Admittedly, it's not very, what do you call it, stable to walk on, but it's just for the look of the pond. And I do plan to like put on more wood chips here just to suppress the weeds. That's why I just flung the rest over there. And it's coming on nicely. Going to put some wood chips this side. I'm not 100% what I'm doing to suppress the weed over there. I might just let it go, or might get the red bark just to have a contrast of brown and red. Still got a water lily put in there, and maybe another kind of oxygenating plant. But it's coming on. On the top there, I'll probably put some more kind of compost just to fill it up and put some plants to grow over it. As you already know, I've got some wild garlic over there. So it's coming on nicely. Rome wasn't built in a day, just to let you know, and it is winter, so it's a good time just to like plan things slowly and see how goals work out. I think what I'll do is I'll get some more wood back. The next shot I'll do is probably just fill in the wood backs. Yeah. So yeah, so it's my wee little nature reserve is coming on quite nicely, don't you think?